What? You'll be fine.
Some kind of chemical or drug.
I give up, okay?
Well, that could have gone better.
You've got some nerve leaving me alone out there. What if I hadn't remembered how to fight?
But you did. You're welcome.
I could have died.
Okay, that's a little dramatic. We were there the whole time. Dee, some help, please?
It was pretty risky, Laurel.
How about less talking about your hurt feelings and more talking about the fact that your fiancé just became suspect #1?
There is no way this is JJ.
The guy who attacked us in